Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we will be seeing the most expected questions from the topic Rivers of India. First question. The origin of Indus is in option A Manasarovar, option B Kailash, option C Kashmir, option D Nepal. Answer option A Manasarovar. Second question. Indus falls into the sea near option A Karachi, option B Hyderabad, option C Kandla, option D Lahore. Answer option A Karachi. Third question. Which of the following is matched correctly? Option A Nagarjuna Sagar River Krishna, option B Karapara Project River Kosi, option C Matitila Project Chambal, option D Tawa Project River Sutlej. Answer option A Nagarjuna Sagar on River Krishna. Fourth question. Which of the following is not the peninsular rivers of India? Option A Mahanadi, option B Godavari, option C Krishna, option D Ganga. Answer option D Ganga. Fifth question. Tapti rivers is in option A Satpura range, option B Vindhyachal range, option C Western Ghats, option D Eastern Ghats. Answer option A Satpura range. Sixth question. Tungabhadra and Bhima are the tributaries of option A Krishna, option B Kaveri, option C Mahanadi, option D Narmada. Answer option A Krishna. Seventh question. Where is Mayurakshi project? Option A Jammu and Kashmir, option B Punjab, option C West Bengal, option D Maharashtra. Answer option C West Bengal. Eighth question. Which of the following is not matched correctly? Option A Ukai project with river Tapati, option B Sardar Sarovar project on river Narmada, option C Faraka project on river Yamuna, option D Salal project on river Chenab. Answer option C Faraka project on river Yamuna. Ninth question. Of which river system does the Koyna river form a part? Option A the Kaveri, option B the Krishna, option C the Godavari, option D the Mahanadi. Answer option B the Krishna. 10th question. The Jog waterfalls are on the river. Option A Tungabhadra, option B Sharavati, option C Koyna, option D Netravati. Answer. Option B. Sharavati. 11th question. From where the river Godavari originates? Option A. Uttarakhand. Option B. Maharashtra. Option C. Madhya Pradesh. Option D. Jammu Kashmir. Answer. Option B. Maharashtra. 12th question. Which of the following river is named as the Dakshina Ganga? Option A. Mahanadi. Option B. Kerala. Option C. Godavari. Option D. Kaveri. Answer. Option C. Godavari. 13th question. Some of the rivers of Peninsular India are non-perennial, mainly because Option A. Rainfall is seasonal. Option B. Rainfall is low. Option C. Rainfall varies from year to year. Option D. Water is derived to tanks. Answer. Option A. Rainfall is seasonal. 14th question. Which is the largest of the peninsular rivers? Option A. Godavari. Option B. Mahanadi. Option C. Krishna. Option D. Kaveri. Answer. Option A. Godavari. 15th question. Which of the following river does not originate from India? Option A. Ganga. Option B. Yamuna. Option C. Chambal. Option D. Brahmaputra. Answer. Option D. Brahmaputra. 16th question. Which of the following project is made on the Sutlej River? Option A. Bakranangal. Option B. Rihan. Option C. Talcher Power. Option D. Gobra project. Answer. Option A. Bakranangal. 17th question. Which of the following is not true about Rihan scheme? Option A. It is made on river Rihan. Option B. It is in Uttar Pradesh. Option C. Its purpose is hydroelectricity generation. Option D. All of the above are incorrect. Answer. Option D. All of the above are incorrect. 18th question. River Narmada flows to Option A. Bay of Bengal. Option B. Arabian Sea. Option C. Indian Ocean. Option D. None of these. Answer. Option B. Arabian Sea. 19th question. The Narmada and Tapti rivers of the Peninsula India flow westwards because Option A. Along old river courses. Option B. Along valleys carved by erosions. Option C. Along through bounded by falls. Option D. Along joints. Answer. Option C. Along through bounded by falls. 20th question. Luni River is in option A Punjab, option B Rajasthan, option C Gujarat, option D Himachal Pradesh. Answer option B Rajasthan. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends, subscribe our channel. Thank you.